missiles, so he would have picked you up.
No! Run! He's gonna get you!
No, our map! Bad boy! Bad Jimmy! Jonathan, bad Jimmy! Bad Yeezys!
It's coming close!
Holy shoot!
It's gonna come close to you guys.
Oh my god! It's coming to us! It's coming to us, Johnny! Oh, hello! 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 The robot! Look at the robot!
No.
Look at the robot! Oh man, look at the robot! Oh, the robot's sending missiles! Ah! Ah!
Shoot, monster, shoot!
Holy shoot!
Jimmy go bad mode. What is he doing?
Johnny! Johnny! Ah!
Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Johnny! Oh!
The monster ain't gonna die.
Die, dead monster!
Oh, they're coming close!
Oh! Oh, the robot! No!
No!
The robot! He's electrocuted.
What's he gonna do?
Robot! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Guys, come on, we gotta go see! I know, me too.
Did it end? Did he get back up?
Did he stomp on him?
Oh, shoot!
Oh!
Jonathan, I'm close! No, the robot told you! He's gonna bit off his head! No! Oh, me!
Get him! I dare you to kill him.
Oh my god!
Go.
He has no arm, Johnny! I'm on him!
No.
He's falling! No, not on New Lake! Bro, come on! The monster's getting up! Come on, guy! Come on, bro! Come on, bro! Get up!
No! Go get the monster! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Come on,
Grab
buddy!
him.
You got this! He's using the rift! His powers!
Hurry!
Hurry, bro! The monster!
Try to get him. Oh shit!
Oh, he uppercut him! Rasengan!
Yeah. Get him, freaking
I know the
monster.
emote.
Monster, get him.
What is he doing? He's getting the sword!
Whoa!
Let's go, robot! Come on, boy! Oh, he stabbed him right in the head!
He did. He did. Go on him.
It's a skull.
He has a
I'm on it! I'm on it! Oh, the robot's dancing!
He said,
Let's go! He served us! Let's go, buddy! Let's go, robot!
no! We're going to space, guys!
Let's go, robot! Let's go!
Now the grass is gonna grow on him. And he's gonna be just a giant hill, I think.
He's going to... But with his sword.
Wow. I thought there was gonna be like a tsunami.
Are you guys going to go up space? Hello?
But there is.
Are you guys going up space?
They changed it?